And it's pretty simple, man. And this is just to tell y'all when I kid around about, you know, following your dreams and getting fucked up, I'm pretty serious, man.
Every minute, every page, every message, every day, I see your face in my dreams. Then I wake and I wanna scream. Same song and dance, we took it for granted. This was never the plan, now I'm curled up on the granite. Damn it, man, remember when we spent the night on the back deck, or the other time on the stars, on the trampoline till the break of dawn. You love flowers, so did I. Sunflower petals in your golden eyes. Now you rolling by without a smile. If I take it back some miles, you might be having child in a parallel world. It already happened and our kid like 6, and I wouldn't be rapping and you wouldn't hear this. I felt I had to add it, cause I wanna be clear with all the math and Aladdin magic. Bring all the napkins, the spark went out, but I brought the matches. Flow got weird, man, how'd that go? 2 years ago I was rapping about clothes, money and hoes. Now I'm John Doe. In this world got no ego, cause I know there's much more than physical life. 3% known and the rest not. Like anything we know or anything we told, gotta find out for yourself, cause we never too old.